Right then, this is what we've all been waiting for, lightning rounds, Team of the Year. The whole team is out now. I'm going to put out 3 videos tonight, 1 for each of the lightning rounds. So let's go. Oh my god, they're here. Alright, go. Oh no, it's open the wrong fucking one. No, fuck it, skip. Rooney! Oh my god, I got Rooney! Yo, what almost like? Fucking store. Yes! What a stop. Right, anything there? No, go. Next back, moving on, come on. Yes! Rooney! What the fuck? No, it's right back, I was reading the wrong thing. Oh my god, I'm such an idiot. Come on, go. Oh my god, 6, 7 times now. Go. Who do we get? Who the fuck do we get? Oh, Rooney in the first pack, what pack? Right, next pack. Come on, here we go. I'm not gonna skip some, I'm not gonna skip it. It's bad at not many packs out, but still. Oh my god! I called it! Oh my god! What? 2 in 1 pack! Yes! I fucking called that getting from Isco today. Matt! Yes! Oh. Yo! Yes! What a pack! Go! Joe Hart, that's alright. Gonna need the main team. Koscielny. Fuck it! Yeah. Well, these are 50k packs. I'm burning them. We're not gonna skip because it worked last time. Oh. And continue. Boom! Yes! Another fucking team of the week. Oh! Yo! Oh my god. And Higuain, that's not bad. Yo, this pack, I've got a feeling. Team of the Year is gonna come. I've got like 2.5 mil left in the blind, so not skipping. Come on. Higuain again. Alright, not bad. I'm gonna stop. I don't know how many more of these. There's only 5,000 left. I'm just gonna keep going. Come on. Skip. Who do we get? William, that's right. Over here. No, nobody. What? 3 teams of the weeks already. Oh. Probably the last one we're gonna get here. Not gonna skip it. Come on, give me something else. Oh, Pirlo, man, that's not the best. Yo, can I get one more? No, pack's no longer available. Yo, what a start. Right, that's it for now. 9 o'clock, I'm gonna bring out another lightning round pack. 3 team of the weeks in that first round. 2 in 1 pack. This is going to be a great night. I'm seeing Legends and Team of the Year. Let's go. Tune in at 9. Bye.